Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for Social Security benefits for a minor. To begin, it is important to understand who qualifies. Generally, a child can receive benefits if one of their parents is retired, disabled, or has passed away. The child must typically be under 18 years old, or under 19 if they are a full-time student in elementary or secondary school. These benefits are directly tied to the parent's work history and contributions to Social Security. Next, gathering all the necessary documents is a crucial step before applying. You will need the child's original birth certificate and their Social Security card. For the parent or guardian applying, proof of your relationship to the child, like adoption papers or court orders, is essential. If the application is due to a parent's passing, ensure you have their death certificate readily available. Having these documents prepared will significantly streamline the application process. Now, let's discuss how to actually apply for these benefits. You can conveniently apply for child benefits online through the Social Security Administration's website, or you can call their national toll-free number to speak with a representative. It is vital to ensure all your gathered documents are complete and accurate before submitting your application. Be prepared for a potential interview, as this is often a part of the process to clarify details. Once you have submitted your application, the Social Security Administration will begin reviewing your claim. This review process can take several weeks, so patience is key. You will receive a formal decision letter by mail, informing you whether your application for benefits has been approved or denied. If your claim is denied, remember that you have the right to appeal this decision, typically within 60 days of receiving the notice.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.